In our number system, this 4 isn't just a plain 4. It stands for 4 of something. These are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, so it's 4 thousands. It's 4 times 1,000 plus, it's not just a 3. Each of those 3's is worth 100, so it's not 3, it's 300. And this is plus 8 times 10. And this is plus 7 times 1. Now multiplying by 1 doesn't change anything, so some people put plus 7. 7 times 1 will be helpful for us when we're getting to different kinds of bases in the modern world. So this problem number 15, I suppose I ought to number it, has this for an answer. Let's go on to problem number 20. It is and we're supposed to write it out in expanded notation. And so I'm going to put 3 times 1,000,000 plus 7 times 100,000 plus 6 times 10,000 plus 5 times 1,000 plus 9 times 100 plus 3 times 10 plus. Well, that's just not acceptable. Plus 4 times 1. This is the expanded notation for this number. Babylonian numeral, and we're supposed to write it as a regular number, regular Roman numeral, a regular number in our Arabic system. So each of these is worth 60, and each of these is worth 1, because the Babylonian number system doesn't go 1, 10, 100, 1,000. It goes 1 and then 60. So this guy's worth 10. Each of these guys is worth 3, so that's 13. But each of those 13s is worth a 60. Plus, this is 4 of these 1s, and so we have to figure out what that is. 13 times 60 is 780 plus 4. So this number really, the Babylonian version is this. Our number is 784. So again, problem 25, it's a Babylonian number, and we want it in our form, the Hindu, Arabic kinds of numbers, and these will be 1s, and these will be 60s, and these will be 60 times 60, or 60 to the second power, or 3600s. So we got one of these 3600s. Plus, and this is 10 and 10 and 1, that's 21 of these 60s. Plus, and these are 1s, but this is a subtraction symbol. So instead of 10 plus 2 being 12, it's 10 take away 2 being 8. So when we multiply 21 times 60, we get 1260. And so we have 3600 plus 1260 plus 8. And that's 4,868. So this is the Babylonian version of the number 4,868.